Running a business where your team is always on the move brings a unique set of challenges. You aren't sitting behind a desk, and neither are they. Keeping everyone on the same page, from assigning tasks to tracking performance and attendance, can feel like a constant uphill battle. And on top of handling your day-to-day operations, they also take care of all your HR and employee training needs. That's why we've been looking into Connecteam. It's a mobile-first platform specifically built to handle the chaos of managing frontline workers. And today, we're showing you exactly how it works. To get things started, we need to look at how we actually find the right people to join the team. Connecteam simplifies the hiring process by moving everything away from messy email chains and into a streamlined pipeline. We can create mobile-friendly job posts in minutes and share them instantly with a simple link. Once those posts are live, we can share them across social media or job boards. As applications start rolling in, they all land in one organized dashboard. We can set up specific screening questions for different roles, like asking a delivery driver if they have a valid license right off the bat, to filter out unqualified candidates automatically. It allows us to move applicants through different stages and onto different managers if needed, from initial review to the interview, with total clarity. The best part is that once we find the perfect fit, we can convert a candidate into an employee with just one click, which instantly triggers the next phase of the journey. As soon as they're hired, their information is saved automatically and they're added as an active user, ready to jump straight into onboarding and training in Connecteam. Now that we've made the hire, we have to talk about how we get them ready for their first shift. This is where the onboarding feature really saves us a lot of time. Instead of handing a new hire a stack of paper forms on their first day, we can send them a digital onboarding packet directly through the app. We can include everything they need to get started, like tax forms, bank details for payroll, and even the employee handbook. Because it's all digital, they can read through and e-sign documents right from their phone before they even step foot on the job site. We can track their progress in real time to see which forms are finished and which ones are still pending. This means that by the time day one rolls around, they aren't sitting in a back office filling out paperwork and no more paper chasing on your end. They're actually out in the field and ready to work. It makes the whole experience feel professional and welcoming for the new hire, while keeping us organized. Moving right along, once the team is up and running, managing their schedules and time off becomes the next big priority. We all know how quickly a manual PTO tracker can fall apart, but Connecteam handles this through a dedicated time off hub. Everything is built around transparency. Employees can open their app, see exactly how many vacation or sick days they have left, and submit a request in seconds. On our end, we get an instant notification to approve or deny the request. What's really smart is how it integrates with the rest of the system. When we approve time off, it automatically updates the employee's balance and syncs with the job scheduler. If we try to schedule someone for a shift on a day they've already been cleared for vacation, the system gives us a conflict alert so we don't make a mistake. We can even set up different policies for different groups, like full-time versus part-time staff, ensuring that the rules are always applied fairly and accurately. Speaking of organization, another critical area we need to cover is how we manage all the essential company information. The Documents feature acts as a secure digital filing cabinet for the entire team. We can create specific packs or folders for things like safety certifications, equipment manuals, or even insurance papers. This is huge for compliance because we can set expiration dates on things like licenses. If a driver's license is about to expire, the system sends an automatic alert to both the manager and the employee so they can get it renewed before it becomes a legal issue. For a deskless team that might not see each other every day, this is incredibly helpful. It shows exactly who reports to whom and how the different departments connect. It's a small detail, but it goes a long way in making everyone feel like they are part of a structured, professional organization rather than just a group of individuals working in silos. It's not just about organization, it's about consistently training our team and building their skills for a long-term success. Connecteam includes a courses feature that lets us build our own custom training modules. They're bite-sized, mobile-friendly lessons that employees can complete during a break or between jobs straight from their phone. We can add quizzes at the end of a module to make sure the information actually stuck. To keep people motivated to finish their training, we can time into the rewards system when someone hits a milestone, like finishing a safety course. It's a simple way to turn professional development into something rewarding, and it shows the team that we actually value the effort they're putting in to improve. We can use the updates feed to give public shoutouts to team members who went above and beyond. It's like a private social media wall where everyone can like and comment on a job well done. Whether it's an Employee of the Month badge or just a quick thank you for covering a difficult shift, that public recognition makes a big difference in retention. To keep the culture feeling personal, the Celebrations feature automatically tracks birthdays and work anniversaries. It sends out a notification to the whole team so everyone can join in and say happy birthday. It's these small automated touches that help build a sense of community even when the team is spread out across different locations all day long. Instead of juggling multiple tools, you can manage everything in one place, from operations and scheduling to team communication and HR. It's built specifically for the way deskless teams actually work, making it easier to stay organized, save time, and keep everyone on the same page. If you're ready to ditch the paperwork and manage your team more effectively, give it a try. Start your 14-day free trial, no credit card needed, using the link in the description. Let us know how it works for your team.